In this video, you'll learn how to submit a maintenance request with the Delphi University's Facilities Management Department. Let's get started. If you haven't already done so, download AU2GO on your iPhone or Android device. If you notice something on campus that needs to be repaired, such as a broken light or a plumbing issue, open the AU2GO app and tap on the eCampus tile. You'll then be prompted for your Universal Adelphi login. Once you're logged in, go back to the AU2GO home screen. Tap eCampus, then tap on the Maintenance Repair tile. Choose from the repair options, and then set your location using the map. You can also choose to take a photo of the issue to accompany your work order. Add a description of the issue, and then tap the Send icon, which is in the upper right-hand corner.